Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maddie, and today I'm going to be doing a Fab Fit Fun unboxing video. So if you're interested to see what I got in my summer Fab Fit Fun box, then just keep watching. Okay, so first things first, I look a hot mess because it's super hot and I just wasn't about it today. So, you know, muscle tank, hair up, that's what we're doing. Also, if you hear my air conditioner or my dog, I am sorry. They're both annoying me right now. I can hear her playing with a toy upstairs. Anyway, so this is what the little foxy looks like. She's cute. I gotta figure out how to put this on my desk without getting it everywhere. Jeez Louise. Okay. I think I got it where I can stop making noise. That'd be great. Okay, so first thing I got is from Pier 1 Imports, which is super cute because I have a Pier 1 literally right around the corner from my house, and I never shop there. So anyway, it's this cute little ring dish, and it's marble and like little rose gold, which I literally have something that's marble and rose gold right in front of me. Like, it's like my little skincare thing, so this is perfect. Matches my aesthetic in my little beauty area. Also, I already opened this, so it's kind of sad that I'm not doing like a full first impression unboxing. But she's still cute. Also, this thing over here belongs in here. This is the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel, which I am very excited about because I've heard Tati and I think a couple other YouTubers really talk about the Elemis like makeup remover, which is supposed to be really good. And this is just supposed to be a good skincare brand in general, and I'm all about the skincare, so I'm really excited to try this peel. I've also been looking for like a peel recently to kind of like really exfoliate my skin. This chin area, not cute. What is next? I got this little, I'm gonna try to pronounce the name, but I'll do a nice little zoomed in shot so you can see. This is the Habaneria Marianella Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar with charcoal, and it is a hydrating body scrub. She's cute. Also, it smells weird, but like oddly good at the same time. It's like straight black. I'll do a zoom in. It's like it doesn't smell good, but like it does. Like, I like the scent, but it's not that great of a scent. So I'm excited to try this. I love a good body scrub. I love my skin to be nice and smooth. I exfoliate my face all the time, but I never really exfoliate my body. I tried the Dove body polish, which I got in my fall Fab Fit Fun. Just kidding, spring, the last one. And I really liked that. I just never got the big tub because I couldn't find it at the grocery store I work at. So I really did like that body scrub, and I really love the Jergens In Shower Moisture Cream. So I think it'd be awesome to use a body scrub and then use that afterwards. I feel like I'd be silky smooth. Another thing that I did get in here that I don't have with me right now because I gave it to my mom, it's I'll like insert a clip. It's one of those like exercise bands. It's just like a little band. It's very cute. I enjoy it. Next thing we got here is just a nice little makeup bag. The top part is for your brushes, and the bottom part is nice and big for all your makeup, which I'm actually going away this weekend, so I might use this because, you know, you can never have enough makeup bags. Another thing I also got was this little paper straw. It has little sea turtles on it, and it says on the wrapper, "This straw saves marine life," and then visit giveasip.us. So I thought this was cute. Paper straws aren't necessarily my favorite. I know I'm gonna get slammed for that because, you know, plastic straws aren't that great for the environment, but these always fall apart in my drink and I feel weird about it. Maybe that's just a me problem, I don't know. Okay, next thing that I got was, I threw away the boxes for the next two things, then I saved the box, but I put it somewhere else because I actually used these things. This is the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner, and it's like kind of a felt, but it's not as, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, it doesn't move like a paintbrush felt liner kind of thing. It's very stiff, but I used it today. My eyeliner looks real janky because my hand was shaking. Don't judge. But I actually really like this. I've been looking for a new eyeliner anyway, so I was super excited when I saw this. And Tarte's pretty great, but I didn't even know they had this, so I'm excited to test it out some more. Next thing, also this box must have been like Tarte partnered because there's a shit ton of Tarte in here, Jesus. This is the Tarteist Pro To Go little eyeshadow palette. It's actually what I'm wearing on my eyes today. I'm wearing these 4 colors, and she's cute, and don't want to blind you with the mirror, but I like these. It's very neutral. It's super small and cute. Very easy on the go everyday look. I really like the way my eyeshadow, like my eye look, turned out today with that palette, so I'm really excited about it. And last but not least, I got the Foreo. Let me get the box so I know the name. Foreo Luna Fofo, which is this little guy. Well, it's this little guy right here, but it's this little box that it comes in. Oh, geez. Which I was excited about because I use this guy right here. This is the Foreo Luna Mini 2. I use this every day to wash my face, so I was so excited to see this in here. And I was actually going to give this to my best friend because I thought it was just the same thing as that. But it is different, so I was being greedy and I kept it. So you can actually pair this to your phone. There's like an app. And when you pair it to your phone, you like put these like 2 little sensors right here. You put them, it'll be like, put it on your right cheek, take it off. Put it on your left cheek, take it off. And then your forehead and your nose. And it tells you the moisture levels of your skin, the age of your skin. Don't mind my vibrating phone. So it tells you the moisture of your skin, the age of your skin, and then your skin type. And it's actually like, let me see if I can get mine. My phone's right here. Let me see if I can get mine from earlier today. And so this is like what the app looks like when it comes up, my little name. And then you can connect it, which let me see if when I connect it, it'll show me. To connect it, you just hold the power button for 5 seconds. Well, no, don't turn on. Stop it. Turn off. Technical difficulties. No, stop. So yeah, so I did this earlier and it says, hopefully you guys can see this, it says my skin type is, oh, well, I have low moisture on my cheeks and I'm good stuff on my forehead, but it says I have oily skin, which that's true, and my skin age is 20, which I'm 20, so I was like, yes, girl, keep doing it, but you can like analyze your skin. I'm not gonna do it right now because I have makeup on. I might do it right before I wash my face. Or I might do it after I do my whole skincare tonight and see how it goes. But you analyze your face and it'll like tell you where to put it. And then after you analyze it, it'll actually tell you, you can be like save and cleanse and it'll tell you like, so backtrack. So I use this one the whole, like all the time. And I was like, oh cool, like I can just use this one to analyze my skin and then use the other one to wash my face. But you can actually like save what it thinks your skin type is and like where it thinks you need things, like the moisture and stuff. So it actually will tell you like, and then you can like save and cleanse, and like right here you can see they have the cleanse button, and it'll actually, which I thought was really cool, it tells you like where to go. Like earlier today when I did it, it was like, this is section 1, this is section 2, this is section 3, and then across here is section 4. And it actually adjusted like the vibration, like the little power up behind it for each section, which I thought was cool. So it kind of like tailors a cleansing routine based on what your skin needs. So I really liked that aspect of this. Yeah, I think that's everything I got in my Fab Fit Fun box. Oh, wait a minute. I also got this little guy in there. I forgot. I got this Coola Classic Sunscreen, which is, this is the Classic Face Sunscreen, and it's SPF 50. And I like it because it's white tea, so it doesn't smell like sunscreen. I'm hoping it doesn't break me out though, because you know I don't like putting sunscreen on my face a lot. Like I do it, but I hate doing it because I don't want it to break me out. I just feel like sunscreen is so oily that like it can't be good for your face. But the fact that this one is geared towards face, I'm excited about, and I hope that it does my skin wonders, because I'm the kind of person that in the summer I burn and I go back to being white no matter how much I put sunscreen on. I do not tan. It is the Irish and Polish coming out in me. It's a problem, which is annoying because both my parents tan and I don't. So I'll literally be a lobster. I was at a lacrosse game for an hour. Didn't wear sunscreen because I didn't think it was gonna be that sunny. I was wearing a tank top and my shoulders were bright red. It was a lot. So is it worth it? I think, let me try and check this because I'll be real honest with you. I kind of forgot how much I pay for these. No, not Facebook. Jeez Louise, I'm a mess. It's been a while, but I'm back, y'all. Life just gets, you know, life gets rough, and I just didn't have time. It was crazy stuff. So, no, that's not what I want to do. I want to do this. So this whole box is $53.99, and that's like with shipping and everything. And I think that's a pretty great deal considering that like the Luna Foreo, like when I bought mine, it was over $100. But I use it every day, like I love it and everything. But I think it's pretty great that like you get this whole box for half that price and this is included in it, and it does more than just the basic Luna does. I'm not sure if you can buy the Luna Fofo because I had never actually heard of it until I got my box. I don't know if it was like something they came out with and put specifically in this box. I really don't know how it went for that. But I really like this tool and I'm super excited about it. I also got Tarte makeup, which like that's usually pretty expensive. Like not like super expensive, but it's, if I bought both this like Pro To Go and the eyeliner, it would probably be $50. And this LMS enzyme peel, I should check and see how much this is and how much it equals. Maybe I'll put that in my little outro. But I just thought it was really cool that like I got all these things, like these nice name brands like Tarteist, Elemis, the Foreo thing, and I only paid $53.99 for it. So anyway, is it worth it? I think that it's definitely worth it based on the fact that you get something that costs $100 by itself for a box that costs $53.99 with shipping included. I think that's a great deal. However, the one thing that I literally cannot stand about my Fab Fit Fun box, which I don't know if it's just me or not, but it drives me absolutely insane, and it happens every single time it gets shipped. Well, every single time that this comes around. So this is a seasonal box, so you have one in fall, spring, summer, and winter. This is my third box. I started last fall, so I like that it's seasonal. Like it's not like every month. I wish it was every month because I think all the stuff I get in here is great, but I like that it's catered to each season. So like you get sunscreen this summer because it's summertime. You get this to also help your face during the summertime, a nice travel bag for like your makeup, things like that. So I really do enjoy that, but for some reason, mine takes forever to get here. I'm talking, I got billed, like the bill, that'll tell you like when your billing date is and everything like that. June 1st was my billing date. By June 16th, I think it had just shipped, or I'm gonna find out when it shipped. Give me a second. June 1st I was billed, and it shipped on there's a lot. The shipping information got sent to FedEx on the 11th of June, and it did not ship out until the 16th of June, which is annoying because I wait forever, and then it took from the 16th until Tuesday the 26th. It took an extra 10 days afterwards. So I had to wait 16 days for it to ship, and then I waited an additional 10 days for it to get from the shipping facility to my home. And I think that's ridiculous. I don't understand why it takes so long. And I even wrote them when I got my first box saying like, hey, I was billed and I still haven't like gotten an email saying I was shipped or whatever. And she told me it usually takes 2 weeks to get everything together to ship it, which I don't understand. I don't understand that logic at all. And I understand that there's like a Fab Fit Fun like premium thing where like you get like early stuff. But I don't think it's fair that like I pay the regular like $53 or whatever and I have to wait a whole month before I get my product. Like when I purchase things from LA or like not Los Angeles, I just said the same thing twice. When I purchase things from California or like the West Coast, like I'm on the East Coast, it does not take 10 days to get here. 3, 4, maybe 5 days max it takes to get here. And I think it's ridiculous that this takes 10 days from being shipped to get here and an additional 16 days after I'm billed for it to even ship at all. I just find that ridiculous. That's the only thing about Fab Fit Fun that I actually hate because it happens every single time. It's not like this was the first time. Every single time I get a box, I wait basically a month before I actually get my box, and I think that's absolutely insane. But other than that, like when I get my box, I love everything that's in it, and I really do love the company and like everything they send and how they cater things. I think they do a great job at that, but the whole shipping time thing takes forever. I am not with that. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna put the total of everything right here, maybe here, don't know. But I'm really glad to be back and filming. I got a camera. Well, I found my old camera, so hopefully we'll have better quality. And I'm really excited because this is a nice outlet for me, and I'm excited to get back into YouTube, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.